Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how you can fix slow download speed on your Steam. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is to check for internet issues. So before blaming the Steam client, ensure your internet connection isn't slow and causing Steam to take longer than usual to download your games. So testing your connection speed test is the best way to confirm that. So you can test your connection on any speed test website. And then next, what you can do is to ensure Steam has adequate bandwidth. So to begin with, you should allocate as much bandwidth as possible to the Steam app. So you can do that by temporarily closing other downloads running in parallel. So closing resource hogging browsers, double check that you're not steaming any content and shutting down any apps that use the internet. So you can use the task manager or you can click Control Shift Escape simultaneously on your keyboard to identify which processes are taking up the most network resources. So look in the network column and close any non-essential apps that are taking up a lot of data. And then next, what you can do is to disable Windows metered connection. So Windows offers a metered connection options for users to limit their own bandwidth usage. So even though it helps save data if you're under a data cap, it can limit how apps use the available bandwidth. So as such, a metered connection might slow down your download and you can slow that might slow down your downloads on Steam. So to ensure that it is not enabled, you can follow the steps right here. So first, just right click on the Windows Start button and go to the settings, and then in the left side, just select the network and internet. So after that, click onto the Wi-Fi section and click on your Wi-Fi connection. And if you are already in here, turn off the toggle next to the metered connection. So just like right here in this picture. So here is this section. And then next, what you can do is to simply disable your VPN. So your VPN's encryption and protocol and your distance to the server can drastically affect your internet speed. So therefore, if you access the Steam client with your VPN enabled, your game may take a long time to download. Thus, it might be worth disabling that VPN and see if that helps. And then next, what you can do is to ensure Steam isn't limiting its own bandwidth. So Steam allows users to limit its bandwidth to give more room for other apps to use the internet. Although it is convenient, so it should turn off this limit if you want to speed up the download. So you can follow the steps right here to remove the Steam's bandwidth limit. So first, launch the Steam on your device, and on the top left corner, just click on the Steam tab and select the settings. And then from the left sidebar, select the downloads, and in the right pane, untick the box for limit bandwidth to. And then next, what you can do is to clear the download cache in Steam. So like many apps, Steam keeps temporary download data in the download cache. So if it gets clogged up, it can affect Steam performance, block the app from running properly, and slow down your downloads. So thus clearing it might speed up your downloads again. However, be careful if you have downloaded any mods. Performing this step will erase them. So as such, you might want to skip this if you have downloaded mods recently. So if you haven't downloaded any mods, you can go ahead and continue with this step. So first, you can launch your Steam, and in the top left corner, just click onto the Steam tab and then just select the settings. And from the left sidebar, select the downloads. So as you can see here in the picture, and on the right hand pane, click onto the clear download cache. And upon completion of the process, just relaunch the app. So that's it for this video. That's how you can possibly fix the problem that you are currently having on your Steam. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.